All right, now we are talking about eliminating the mess. The show is all about easy solutions, and this is the solution to that great clean home. It is from Black & Decker, a name we trust in clean. This is their Power Series Extreme MAX cordless vacuum with 2 batteries. So you are able to charge those batteries, but most of the time when you get the battery with it, you only get 1. This is going to give you the 2. It is a clearance price of $179.99. If purchased separately, it would be $223. There is no reorder on this. You are able to take this handheld, take it to the car, clean up all the mess with the pets. You also are getting some great attachments as well. So here in studio, we are getting not only the Max cordless vacuum, you are also getting the 2 rechargeable batteries, and then these great attachments that are going to give you the optimal clean, all for 5 easy payments of $36. I am going to welcome in my friend Christopher Joyce. He brings us all of the latest and greatest in home innovations. Christopher Joyce, this looks like something that I could have used this morning in my house. When I left, it was a mess.
Exactly. And what I love about this, John, is not only is it the ideal stick vac because it comes with 2 batteries. By the way, Black & Decker, I don't know if you know this, Black & Decker invented these batteries. That they started with the cordless drill. And if we're building homes with Black & Decker cordless drills, we can certainly use it on our vacuums at home.
Right.
And that's what the Power Series Extreme Max is all about. I love the fact, and you pointed this out, that you're getting 2 batteries. 2 20-volt lithium-ion batteries with the floor attachment, which, by the way, this is also a handheld. When you're using it in the floor, one battery, John, lasts for 37 minutes.
Wow.
Then times 2, so you're never going to run out of battery. Oftentimes, whether you have to plug in the actual vacuum or you have a battery that you have to recharge, how many times have you lost the power of the battery and then you cannot complete the task? That is why we're giving you 2 batteries, to ensure that you can complete the task. You are getting 72 minutes of runtime with these 2 batteries just with the floor vacuum.
I hope
and
no one has to clean that long.
Yeah, I agree with you. I hope as well. But you know what? It's cordless and rechargeable. So probably the most important thing in people's minds is, okay, does it have the power? And boy, does it ever. It's called the Power Series Max for a reason. Let's get cleaning. I have a great carpet here. I'm going to show you all the things that it picks up. And then I'm also going to go to some other surfaces as well.
Okay.
So on my second camera here, you're going to see all the stuff that I want to pick up. So I'm going to start with some cereal. John, what you're noticing are those really cool LED headlights. How many times is the dirt hidden underneath something? You go underneath the coffee table, underneath the sofa, you can't see it. Well, now you can, because it has those nice LED headlights. I'm showing, too, how easy it is to maneuver, John. It has that really nice swivel action, so no matter where the dirt is, you're going to be able to grab onto it. Then I put some gravel down on this carpet, because I wanted to show you that you can even hear it. Not only can you pick up something light as cereal, but also something as heavy as gravel as well. And this is on kind of a medium pile carpet, maybe a wall-to-wall carpet that you may have in your home. You know, John, there's something very satisfying about vacuuming, because you see those lines in the carpet. It looks like you actually did something. I'm kind of like that with ironing, too. There's just something satisfying because you see instant results, and that's what you're seeing with the Black & Decker Power Series Max. So we're using this as a stick vac right now, but then I'm going to show you how it transitions to a handheld, and you can use it all around the house from floor to ceiling. Now I'm picking up some of those little candies maybe that you threw on the cookies during the holiday time. So whatever it is in the kitchen that falls on the floor or the carpet or the tile or the hardwood, it doesn't matter. It's going to take care of it. Now, we had this independent lab tested, John, that this is a tangle-free beater bar. The design of it is such that no matter how much hair, and you can see all this pet hair that I'm picking up, no matter how much hair I pick up, we had it tested that it is 99% tangle-free. So what does that mean for you? I'm going to go to my first camera again, and I'm going to put this beater bar toward the camera. So typically, John, you would see all the hair wrapped around, right?
Yeah.
Wrapped around that beater bar. But because of the design of it, that V shape, the fact that it has kind of those rubber-like fins as well as the brush, the design of it is such that it's not allowing the hair to be captured into the beater bar, which is really nice. 99% tangle-free is the claim that we got when it was independently lab tested.
Wow. And the fact that you're able to get this and it is portable, no wires, no having to lift anything or drag that big vacuum out. I mean, that's what stops me a lot of from actually doing those quick cleanups is, oh, I've got to go get the big vacuum. I'm going to have to pull it out of the closet.
Right.
No wires, no looking for an outlet. You were getting this at a clearance price. If purchased separately, we were talking $222.98. We are offering it today at $179.99. That is 5 easy payments of $36. You are not only getting the vacuum, you are getting the 2 rechargeable batteries as well. Usually you only get 1. This is going to give you that great charge time, and if the one dies, you've got another one ready to go. That is for me, because I am someone, I always forget to charge the extra. This will save you. And you are also getting those great accessories as well for that customized clean. Now, Chris, tell me a little bit about this, because while people are making their orders, we obviously see that this is something we can use on the floors, but it also can give you that high to low clean as well.
Yeah, so here I changed it into the handheld version, and I want you to go back to the table, John, because I want to kind of go through all the attachments that are given to you, and then I'm going to use them here in my own living room.
Cool.
So right now I have the crevice tool on here, and you can see this is lightweight, it's easy to use, the floor attachment has been taken off, but I love the fact that this attachment, this crevice tool attachment, watch this. Now I can go back and I can get all the mess that's in between all the seat cushions, John, underneath the seat cushions. Maybe I can clean above this picture here, or even above the curtains, you name it. From floor to ceiling, you are going to be able to clean with this easily, quickly, and efficiently. You have some other attachments there as well, and I just want to go through what you're getting.
Yes.
Which is really awesome, because it's allowing you to do everything that you want to do on a daily basis. That is my favorite. So that is a pet brush. So feel the end of that, the nubs. It kind of has that silicone on it.
Yeah.
It's going to grab onto the hair, and then there's that opening that allows the hair to kind of flow through there. When you come back to me, I'm going to show you how you use that. I just added this attachment.
Okay.
This attachment's wonderful. Do you see the hair on there?
Yeah.
All right, watch this. Real quickly, I'm going to take this attachment, and I'm going to get rid of that hair literally as I'm holding this, literally within just a couple seconds. All that hair is gone, John. My job is done. And I used the same vacuum that I used on the floor.
That is so impressive. You're getting that powerful clean, but the fact that it's portable is huge.
Beautiful, right? And take it to the car as well. One more attachment I want to show you. I'm putting on this, it's kind of a dual brush, all right? So it has a brush on the top. But then if you don't want the brush and you want a slight crevice tool, the brush kind of folds down, and now you can use that, and it kind of gives you extra power. Watch this. I'm going to use this to take care of the HVAC vents, all right?
Yeah.
No problem, right? Whether they're high or low. I'm going to take care of my lampshades. Do not use a cloth. Don't use anything when a lampshade will ruin it. But this allows you to take off all of the dust and the debris.
It is so incredible that you're getting that powerful clean with the convenience of what weighs basically like a broom. You are getting that hands-free, not tied to a wall, not tied to an outlet, at a clearance price of $179.99. Now, Chris.
Yeah, I'm going to go.
Go ahead.
Yes, please, please, please. I was just going to say, I was going to go on my second camera for 2 quick demos. This is actually on a black mat. I'm going to show you the power of this. You're going to see the rice literally jumping kind of in front of this. That's showing the power on that mat. And then, last but not least, look at this. I'm taking care of all that blonde hair, and I purposely put it on a black carpet to show you if anything was left, you would see it. And again, it's not going to be wrapping around that brush roll, because we have that claim that it is 99%
It is
tangle-free.
incredible. And you're getting it for 5 easy payments of $36. Chris, thank you so much for bringing us that. And I am sorry to say that there's no reorder.
Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Have a good night.
I will
Stay
see you
warm.
next time. Thank you, thank you. Well, luckily, I'm so glad that we are ending our show with this, because